Hello, there is a new Momo paying app in town, and today I'm going to show you how it works. This app came on 14th February, which was on last day. But before that, the ladies, happy birthday to you, or the ladies, let me see your comments in the comment section. Okay, so let's get back to the app. So this app is very, very new. Okay. But before that, please, I'm not a financial advisor. So invest what you can afford to lose, okay? I beg you, you all know sometimes app with the is working. Investment apps there is working. Okay, so we enko app na me show mo kwan dey e fa so ye no. Okay, so link ni me the better description, video description or no there. So the way you bit my boss, why interested you bit my boss. Okay. So register about phone number. As I say, no about login password, security password, invitation code. So me the code in by there, I bet one there. No about shimo no, what code ni shimo ma Cedis. So my register that inti enko login. Okay, I said the new long-term MoMo website was launched on 14 February. From the 14th February, users can recharge or withdraw products benefits. Okay. Samsung is the platform with the most support in Ghana. Invite friends to get 26% bonus. Invite bonus is only applicable to the first recharge and product purchase. The more team members you invite, the more rewards you get. Okay. So yenko packaging na mention the way is working. So yenko. So with the minimum amount abitim I invest 120 cedis. 120 cedis. Na who invest 120 cedis they be able profit 15 cedis. As I say, so at the end of 65 days we 975. Yeah, and then who invest there circle na 65 days. So be them say 65 days. And you 330 cedis and so on. Yeah, 330 cedis then so on. And also we invest here, they be having profit 49 cedis. Yeah, at the end of 65 days, we have 3,185 cedis. So also now third one also yeah, and see 65 Ghana, 650 Ghana cedis. And also second yeah, 65 days now, but daily profit they be having 117. Into at the end of 65 days, we have 7,605. Okay, so that's very nice. So yeah, where the way about there, obviously recharge and also this carto account no, over my hand. Over my hand about recharge. In case in Casca, we see them that now yeah, and so about withdraw hand. Yeah, transaction record, change password, download the app, but my download the app store. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so we ensure withdrawal rules now. Withdrawal time is from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day, from Monday to Sunday. Withdrawal will arrive in your bank account within 20 hours. The withdrawal platform will charge a 12% handling fee. The minimum withdrawal amount of the platform is 60 Ghana cedis. You must invest in a product to activate the withdrawal. If you need help, contact our online customer service. Okay. So your number or so withdrawal a procedure no matter on. Okay. So customer service in your boy you can call them. You know, very new easy sell there, which many profit. Yeah, above for say there. We invest there, which there. But please invest what you can afford to lose. What I say. You all know sometimes there are bank systems here or work effort. So invest what you can afford to lose. So when the link there, ever to comment section and I say video description or bit my boss. No I register enemy code no site you say maybe. Okay, so you share kwan be for recharge no. About recharge no. Recharge me say like we this to account no. So you know about amount I would to maybe 120. 120 about select payment method and over select MTN mobile and I say Binance USDT way so bit my boss no about MTN mobile. No about confirm. Until we copy number no. No be send it. Do send we are afi about confirm no. We confirm ya na we send a screenshot na by no screenshot it. As I say no upload this screenshot now. Yeah, ebeba. Okay. This come back at this can to account. Yeah, very soon. Okay, so please tell them catch on. No, I'm not a financial advisor, so invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, you know, sometimes there are bank by systems we must sit here. Sometimes want to be for Sika, but I feel now we are hoping for the best. For Sika, okay. Very nice. I feel now, but so you invest here, so at least 120 cedis, better. Yeah, for 65 days. Okay. Thank you for watching. Hit on the subscribe button and comment for more videos like this. I'm out. Thank you.
Subscribe to my channel.